All right, imagine this. You wake up, stretch, and look out your window. Not at a blue sky, but at a dusty, reddish horizon. That's life on Mars. It sounds like science fiction, but let's dive into what it would actually be like to call the red planet home. First off, Mars is wild. The gravity is just a third of what we have on Earth, so every step would feel like a bounce. I'd probably feel like I'm walking on a trampoline all day. But that's not the only thing that's different. Mars is cold, really cold. We're talking an average temperature of minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Forget shorts and t-shirts. Think spacesuits every single day. Now, about that spacesuit. Mars's atmosphere is 100 times thinner than Earth's, and it's mostly carbon dioxide. So if I want to breathe, I'm going to need a suit, or a sealed habitat. And that habitat? It has to protect me from deadly radiation. Because Mars doesn't have a magnetic field like Earth does, so living underground is probably the way to go, or in thick-walled domes. Food is another adventure. There's no popping out for groceries. I'd have to grow my own food, probably potatoes and leafy greens using hydroponics. Water? That's precious. I'd need to recycle every drop and maybe even mine ice from beneath the Martian soil. But it's not all doom and gloom. Imagine the sunsets. On Mars, the sky turns blue as the sun goes down, the exact opposite of Earth. Two tiny moons, Phobos and Deimos, zip across the sky. I'd never get bored of that. Daily life would be a mix of science experiments, fixing things, and just trying to stay alive. I'd probably get to know my crewmates really well. After all, there's no one else around for millions of miles. Communication with Earth takes up to 24 minutes one way, so no quick texts or phone calls. I'd have to get used to waiting. But here's the thing. Living on Mars would change how I see everything. Every sunrise would remind me that I'm standing on another planet. Every plant I grow would feel like a tiny miracle. And every challenge would push me to be more creative, more resilient, more human. So, is life on Mars easy? Not at all. But is it possible? Absolutely. And if you ask me, the idea of waking up on the red planet, bouncing through that alien landscape, building a new home for humanity, well, that's an adventure worth dreaming about. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you liked this trip to Mars, hit that subscribe button and let's explore the universe together.